When comparing BigCommerce versus Doba in terms of advanced inventory management features, there's a lot to consider. Each platform brings something unique to the table, but when it comes to optimizing inventory for your business, you might be surprised by some of the differences. By the end of this video, I'll share which one truly offers the most advanced tools for managing your inventory, so keep watching. Let's dive right in. First off, both BigCommerce and Doba are popular choices, but they target slightly different user needs. BigCommerce is a full-featured e-commerce platform, while Doba is primarily a dropshipping tool. And while both can help you manage inventory, the way they do it might make one a better fit for your needs. Next thing, BigCommerce offers a solid set of inventory management features out of the box. They have automated stock tracking, low stock alerts, and integration with multiple warehouse management systems. You can also sync your stock levels with other sales channels like Amazon and eBay, which makes keeping everything organized easier. This platform is built to scale, making it great for growing businesses that need robust inventory oversight. However, there's a catch. While BigCommerce is versatile, its inventory management can become complex for smaller businesses. You might find the learning curve a bit steep when you first get started. The fourth thing to consider is Doba's approach. Doba is more of a dropshipping service, meaning they provide access to a network of suppliers, and you don't have to worry about holding stock. Their inventory management system lets you manage the products in your dropshipping catalog, but it's not as flexible as BigCommerce. You can track stock levels from suppliers, set automated alerts, and adjust your orders, but Doba's inventory management is really about helping you handle dropshipping logistics, not storing or managing inventory yourself. For small businesses or startups looking to avoid upfront costs, this might be appealing, but it's not the most advanced solution for long-term inventory needs. Another point, BigCommerce has some great integrations with third-party apps that help manage inventory, like Skubana and TradeGecko, which provide even more advanced functionality. If you're looking for something more specific, BigCommerce allows you to plug in tools that can help streamline your operations. With Doba, while it's a simpler process to get started, it's somewhat limited in the tools it offers compared to BigCommerce. The sixth thing to highlight is customization. BigCommerce shines when it comes to customizing your inventory processes to fit your business model. From setting different price tiers to creating bundles, BigCommerce offers flexibility that's hard to beat. Doba, on the other hand, doesn't allow much customization. You're really working with what's available from the suppliers, which is fine if you're just starting out, but it can feel restrictive as your business grows. Now, let's be honest. Both platforms are decent, but if you're really focused on advanced inventory management, BigCommerce offers a lot more in terms of flexibility, scalability, and integrations. It's a better choice if you need full control over your inventory, especially for businesses that are ready to grow. Doba is great for getting started with dropshipping, but it's not built to scale in the same way. In conclusion, while both BigCommerce and Doba have inventory management features, they cater to different needs. BigCommerce is the more powerful option if you want to build a long-term, scalable business. Doba can work for dropshipping, but doesn't have the advanced tools BigCommerce provides. That said, after testing both of these platforms, if you're looking for an even better alternative to manage inventory more effectively, you should check out the free trial in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on it.